How to create broadcast channel on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. However, you need to keep in mind that this option is not yet available for everyone. So let's go ahead and see how it's done. Open up Instagram, and once you do that, navigate to your messaging or DM section. From there, click on the compose new option at the top right. And here, for those of you who have this option, you will find a feature to create a broadcast channel in which you click on it, and it's pretty self-explanatory and straightforward. From there, you just need to add the name of your channel, etc., to create it. However, for those of you who does not have this feature, just like I do right here, the few unlucky ones, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and make sure that you are running the latest Instagram version. So go ahead and update your Instagram app. However, if you still does not have that feature, even if you are running the latest version, then unfortunately all what you can do is you need to wait and be patient, as that's the case with any new feature on any new app. The app will roll that feature to a few users at first, and it slowly starts to increase the users till eventually everyone gets it. So it's not in your control. You just have to wait and be patient till you eventually gets it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can create an Instagram broadcast channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.